overview of ARMHUG, a storage unit for mobile phlebotomists to carry with them on the go.
Introducing a fast and easy blood draw kit. Inside, we have all of your supplies pre-packaged and ready for use. We have stethoscopes, masks, collection kits, 20 vials that fit inside of it, and then you can easily access it. No problem. Close the lid and you're on your way. Now we're going to take it step by step. Step 1. First, find a flat surface. Step 2. Open your lid and grab your supplies once you are with your patient. Step 3. Close the lid and then you're ready to begin your blood draw. Our goal with ARMHUG is to be prepared for our patients while performing mobile care at home.